Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon MG5700 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to print network info on this device. So to do it, just scroll down, find setup, click on the setup and click device settings, then scroll down, find here LAN settings, scroll down, find here confirm LAN settings, and here you have settings list, but now we need to print LAN details. Click OK, click yes, and wait a while. As you can see, so my printer is printing the second page of my internet settings, of my LAN settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.